Hello to my home care family. I'm hopping on today to share with you the fastest way to receive payments for services provided in your home care agency. We will cover 4 ways to receive payments for home care services you have provided and which one is best for increasing your cash flow. My name is Shavis Watkins. I work with home care business owners like you to help increase cash flow by 25% with organized accounting and financial strategies. The first one we will go over is the assignment of benefits. The assignment of benefits is when you receive payments directly from the insurance company. When you provide a service and invoice your client, if your books are on an accrual basis, which I recommend for my home care agencies, you will report the service as sales or revenue and the payment as accounts receivable. This is because you have provided a service but have not yet received the funds for the service provided. This will later provide statistical data on how long certain insurance companies take to pay you. You will be able to see if the turnaround time is 30 days, 60, or even 90 days. This will help you determine if you want to continue working with clients with coverage from that insurance company. Monitoring the turnaround time and eliminating the companies that take 90 days to pay you can help with increasing your cash flow. Now, if your agency accepts insurance benefits, make sure you have money available upfront. You have to make sure you are able to pay your caregivers and any other business expenses while you are waiting for the insurance company to reimburse you. Next is when your client pays you and is reimbursed by the insurance company. Insurance companies normally reimburse the subscriber way faster than they reimburse the provider. You will have your client pay you if they are able to. You will give the client a paid invoice that they can submit to their long term insurance company to get reimbursed. If you receive payments directly from the client, you would invoice your client and the payment will be reported as sales or revenue on your income statement. And the funds received will be reported as cash in your books. The account in your books will be named checking, but it is still considered cash. Receiving funds this way will eliminate the time gap between providing services and when the payment is received from the insurance company. This will also increase your cash flow and allow you to have funds on hand to pay your caregivers and any other business expenses. The third way to receive payments for services provided is to process accounts receivable through a factoring company. You will send the factoring company your invoice and they will advance you the payment for the invoice. There are fees associated with working with factoring companies. What I have seen is that their fees are normally a percentage of the invoice. Then you can also include factoring and processing fees. But once everything is established with the factoring company, you can receive funds as early as 1 day. They say that this is not a loan, but in accounting, it is treated as a loan. So it is still important to receive your factoring company statements on a regular basis to make sure that issued invoices were paid. If any invoices are outstanding, you will be responsible for paying the factoring company back the advance funds and sometimes additional fees. Lastly is private pay. Private pay is the number one paying source according to statistics. Receiving private pay clients is one of the best ways to increase your agency's cash flow. It allows you to receive payments for services quicker. You will invoice your private pay client in advance and receive payments before providing services. The reason this is the number one paying source is because you eliminate working with insurance companies and waiting to get reimbursed. And you also eliminate working with factoring companies and running into the risk of paying high fees. Receiving funds this way will also eliminate the gap from providing services and when the payment is received from the insurance company. If you need assistance with organizing your home care business records or how to understand your company's financial position, please contact me. My information is located in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this information helpful. Thank you, and wishing you much success in your business.